Hey guys, here's how to set up Dubsado to actually attract high-paying clients. First step, create a premium lead capture form. Add the branded form on your website. Collect name, budget, goals, timeline. Automatically tag them based on their answers. This filters low-quality leads instantly. Step 2, automate your proposal, contract, invoice flow. Build one quote-unquote small proposal with package options. Add contract plus invoice inside the same proposal. When they pick a package, contract autofills, invoice shows, workflow starts. High-ticket clients love how smooth this is. Step 3. Build a follow-up automation. After they submit the form, send a personalized intro email, a scheduled link, a portfolio or case study pack, then send 2 to 3 follow-up messages if they don't book. This closes clients who would normally disappear. Step 4. Set up your client dashboard. Each client gets project details, tasks, files, calls, deadlines. Clients feel you're running a premium operation, so you can charge premium rates. Step 5. Build a delivery workflow. Send welcome packet, request brand assets, set weekly updates, deliver final files, send testimonial requests. No more chasing clients, no more back and forth emails. This is what high paying clients expect nowadays. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.